We had a great time. We were at the Mitchell-Linden Library in Flushing, Queens. And really, it's a lovely library, really, really beautiful. This time we were decorating flip-flops. Actually, we were decorating slippers. So there were flowers, there were pearls, there were beads, lace, little lace pieces that they could put. And they really did enjoy doing that. The participants, two of the ladies, they had a little bit more familiar with sewing. The one had worked in the garment district, she was a pattern maker, and the other one worked in a lawyer's office, but she was familiar with sewing. The other three who participated were young kids, fifth, fourth, and third graders. The third, fourth, and fifth graders had no experience with sewing, but they took to it like a duck to water. They got into it. The thing about the workshop is what you walk away with is a skill that you can use somewhere else. Get to see what's going on in your community or in the surrounding communities, because New York City has so many. If you can't get away to the Bahamas or Switzerland, you can kind of take a brain vacation and see what's going on around the city, because there are tons of free programming that's available for you to enjoy. Hope to see you at one of them. Thanks for stopping by.